Welcome to today's session on the 6 secrets for successful sales enablement training. Let's get started. Any successful training begins with understanding your audience, their strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. Sales enablement is no different, so tailor training to learners' specific needs for better engagement and retention. Technology is your best friend in today's world. Incorporate technology, from interactive simulations to virtual reality scenarios, to prepare your team for the modern sales landscape. Build a culture of continuous learning by providing access to resources, workshops, and industry updates. This motivates learners to learn, adapt, and deliver consistently. Incorporate role-playing exercises and simulations into your training to enable your team to refine their skills in a safe environment and prepare them for real-world scenarios. Effective sales enablement involves tracking and analyzing performance metrics. Implement key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the impact of training and identify areas of improvement to refine your training for maximum effectiveness. Seek regular feedback from your team to understand what's working and what isn't. Working on the feedback ensures your sales enablement training remains relevant and impactful. There you have it, the 6 secrets to successful sales enablement training that will help your sales team soar to new heights. Thanks for joining, and until next time, make those sales happen. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.